up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Sakai Clot collab on the Kiss of Death 2 Cool Grays. Let's take a quick sneak peek. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about this triple collaboration that was done with Nike, Sakai, and Clot on the Kiss of Death 2 Cool Grays. This is a great monochromatic colorway, and this is the number 4 out of 7 that are to launch for the Sakai Nike collabs. I've already done 4 videos basically on them, including this one. So be sure to check out all those videos if you've missed any, but they're dropping a couple more, which are going to be part of the Undercover collab. So first we're going to start off with the overview, and then we're going to jump into size and fit on these. Then we're going to talk about how I styled this. This is obviously a really cool color way to style with the navies and the grays, so I had fun with this one. And then we're going to talk about how these are currently doing on the retail market. So let's jump right into it. So of course, we have seen this waffle silhouette many times, and Sakai has really made her name for this. Hypebae is just killing it right now. So as far as the front of the toe box goes, we've got nice gray meshing and a nice kind of lighter gray hue in between it, which I think breaks up the grays quite nicely. We've got the dual laces, which we're used to seeing with the Sakai collabs done on Nike. So this time it's in a light gray with a charcoal gray color scheme. We've got the dual tongues here with the triple logos that we've got for Sakai Clot as well as Nike. A nice green accent for the tongue that's behind the charcoal gray nylon tongue. And then we've got just some nice accents of that pop of orange for the swoosh mark. Let's take a look at those details, and then we'll move on to the side panels. Before I move on to the side panels, we did get an additional lace, which I actually really like this color. It's like a nice kind of baby blue hue, which actually matches some of the accents on the side panels here. So we've got that dual swoosh mark. So we've got a lighter baby blue colorway with that navy swoosh on top. As we work our way to the back, we've got that extension off of the heel there, and we've got this nice charcoal gray texture with a nice leather for the collar on the back. Nike Sakai is in the accented green colorway with the Clot logo on top of that. Then we've got a nice just simplistic gray insole with Nike Sakai in green and Clot's logo in black. The shoe then, as we work our way to the other side, has that same dual swoosh mark in the baby blue and navy, as well as that charcoal gray meshing. And then we've kind of got this nice speckled cream and white midsole that underneath is composed of a navy midsole, and then we've got a gum bottom. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to sizing. All right, so moving on to sizing, I would say stick true to size on these. These do run a bit narrow, so if you do have wider, flatter feet, I may recommend actually going a size up on this one. But I would say if you have narrow feet like me with high arches, stick true to size on the 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a women's size 9. All right, let's talk about styling. So I had so much fun styling these. I wanted to dress this up a little bit for the first look. Obviously, we've got this gum bottom, so I wanted to play off that with some brown in my wardrobe. So I decided to wear this leather brown skirt. I tucked in a navy t-shirt, which I feel like matches the navy accents perfectly, and then I layered that with a nice navy pea coat. For the second look, brought it to a more casual feel, which I'm wearing all champion right here, as you can see, in this beige color tone. I think beiges and just monochromatic colors will go perfect with this. This is just such a fun, easy color to really work into your clothing or wardrobe setup for the fall and winter. So definitely feel like the gum bottom really played quite nicely again with the hues in this champion pair of sweats and cropped hoodie. For the last and final look, I decided to just switch it up, still casual, but I wanted to wear my Essentials half zip up sweatshirt, and then I paired that with some nice cream biker shorts. Again, I think that grays go great with this, another monochromatic color, so definitely had fun just keeping it super casual. You let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $180 and they're currently going between $205 to $250. So not too crazy over the price point if you weren't able to cop these, but definitely a great color to add to your collection if you want something that's really simplistic and easy to style. Wishing you all good luck for those of you who are going for the other colorways that will be launching. A lot that we're going to be seeing with the Sacai Nike collaboration. So it's crazy to know that we're going to get 7 different colorways. Again, go back and check out my other Sacai and Nike videos if you haven't already. Thanks so much for joining us. To all of you new viewers, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We will catch you all on the next episode.